This is not eba, this is Oats Swallow. Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make Oats Swallow right at home. And this type of oats, both adult and kids love it. Let's get started. All you need for this recipe is oats. Just get any oat of your choice. So here is my oats. I'm using white oats. Then I'm going to measure out 3 cups of oats from this bucket of oats. Please make sure your oat is dry, not wet. For this recipe, you need a dry oat. Now, if you want a healthy swallow or you are on a weight loss journey, this oat swallow is just perfect for you. Next, I will proceed to blend it in my blender till it's very smooth. Once it's smooth and nice, I'll pour it into my sieve. A warm welcome to my old and my new subscribers. Thank you so much for all your support, for all the views, the like, the comment. I truly appreciate you all. God bless. Then I'll sieve to make sure there is no unblended oats inside. That's why I'm doing this, because I want my oat swallow to be very smooth, because my kids and myself are the one going to eat it, so I want it to be very smooth. As you can see, I just got little unblended oats. I'll just set that aside. When I'm blending my next portion of oats, I'll add it and blend. In a clean pot, I'll add some clean water, enough to make the oat, and let it come to a boil. I'll begin to pour the oats bit by bit. As I'm pouring, I'm stirring continuously to avoid lumps. Here are some of the benefits of oats. Oats are rich in fiber, which helps with digestion. They help regulate blood sugar and reduce bad cholesterol, keeping the heart healthy. Oats also boost immunity, keep you fuller for longer, and are great for weight management. Once it begins to thicken, I'll reduce the heat, and this is where the magic happens. I'll add a little red oil, that's palm oil, not too much, just a bit to give it that nice yellow eba color. Then I'll keep stirring until it forms a smooth swallow texture. In my home, my kids love eba, especially the yellow one, but Oats Swallow, they don't like it. So I make it this way to look just like eba, and honestly, they don't even know the difference. They eat it happily and still call it eba. If you have kids and you've been trying to get them to eat Oats Swallow without success, try this method and thank me later. By preparing it this way, they will enjoy it and still get all the amazing health benefits of oats. Once it thickens and you have this swallow-like texture, I'll go in and sprinkle some water over it. Then cover the pot and let it cook on low heat for about 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, I'll open it up and give it a good stir to combine everything properly. Just look at how soft and smooth it looks, and that beautiful color. My dear, this is oats. You won't even believe it's oats. It looks and feels just like eba. Tell me if this is not entering your eye. See, they enter your eye, Abby. And if you're an adult who doesn't really find the regular Oats Swallow appealing, try this method, you will love it. Next, I'll tie it into a clean food safe nylon bag just to give it that nice round shape. But since mine is already firm, I'm eating it hot, just the way I love it. If yours is still a bit soft, simply tie it up and let it cool down a bit before eating. You can enjoy it with any soup of your choice, Egusi, okra or vegetable soup. But me, I'm enjoying mine with vegetable soup. The video is already on my channel. Please click to watch it. Thank you so much for watching, my lovely family. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, share with someone, and subscribe for more tasty and healthy recipe from my kitchen to yours. See you in the next video. Until then, keep cooking with love. Bye bye.